How close?
Alright, this is me.
I can't see you.
This is Isaiah. He's higher than me. Isaiah, you grew!
How close am I?
It zoomed right in on your eye.
Let me see.
I can't show you like that.
Like, stop the video.
You don't want to be taller than me? Tell people how much taller you are? You're probably as tall as your dad.
No, he's taller than this.
I don't think so.
Or maybe I am as tall as him. Or maybe he might be a little taller. But he's definitely taller than you.
I know he's taller than me. You're right above me now. Ew. Alright.